Not everyone loves doing the laundry. In fact, it is considered as one of the most tedious and time-consuming chores of all. Ngunit dahil basic necessity ang clean clothes sa atin, we can never escape this task. Kaya naman, the best thing to do is find a laundry partner that will give you reliable cleaning performance while providing you with convenience as well. So for laundry efficiency that you can trust, Whirlpool has designed the Bloom Wash Inverter Plus fully automatic washing machine. The Bloom Wash Inverter Plus is equipped with 6-sense technology that allocates resources accordingly. Kaya nakakasiguro kang hindi lang ito energy efficient, but it also provides convenience and savings. Ang 6-sense Smart Start program ay nagseselect ng shortest time, lowest energy, and water consumption possible to maximize your resources. Meanwhile, ang auto-dosing system naman ay may kakayahang mag-detect ng perfect amount of detergent to be dispensed at the right time. Not to mention that it can also hold 1.3 liters of liquid detergent and fabric conditioner for up to 30 days. Kaya naman, you can be assured that you do not only get a powerful wash performance and optimum savings, but efficiency and convenience as well. This washer also has a warm wash function that heats the water up to 45 degrees na nakakatulong magtanggal ng up to 25 kinds of stubborn stains. Naggagawa rin itong mas sterilize ang ating mga damit upang maiwasan ang bakterya na maaaring maging sanhi ng body odor at skin allergies. You can also enjoy the convenience of doing the laundry without disturbing the peace in your home with its revolutionary Zen Direct Drive inverter technology. This is responsible not only to offer excellent sound management, but also stability and durability during the wash cycle to give you an outstanding performance in laundry care. Alam nyo rin ba na ang Whirlpool Bloom Wash Inverter Plus ay mayroong Woolmark Apparel Care label? Ito ay stamp of approval from the world's leading authority on wool care, so you can be assured that your clothes are given the best care. Kaya nga, there's no doubt that this washer from Whirlpool is your perfect laundry partner. You can find this and other Whirlpool washers when you drop by any leading appliance stores nationwide or in one of our showrooms located in Quezon City, Cebu, Bacolod, Iloilo, and Davao. If you want to know more about this product and other Whirlpool appliances, you may visit our website at www.whirlpool.com.ph or like us on Facebook. That's Whirlpool Philippines. Whirlpool, the #1 appliance brand in the world.